Many people give up baked goods because they assume they aren't healthy. I'm Emily, and I'm here today with Chef Dave to dish the facts on a variety of simple, healthy baking swaps that cut back on calories and sugar while maintaining that same great taste. Plus, you might not even notice the difference.
That's right, Emily. And the great thing about many of these baking swaps is they yield the same great results. Take, for example, these delicious breakfast cookies that I made here today. They use applesauce instead of any additional added oil.
No, you really can't even tell the difference in those cookies. And using applesauce instead of oil will help cut back on fat and calories while adding in a nice natural sweetness and a serving of fruit.
You're absolutely right. And because I use Nature's Promise almond flour, they're also naturally gluten-free.
That's a great allergy-friendly swap right there. I've also heard that you can replace butter with avocado in recipes. How does that work?
That's true. So we can start by subbing out half of the total amount of butter in a recipe with avocado. Depending on what we're baking, it may add a slight green tinge, so it's best used in chocolate recipes.
And I am a big chocolate fan, so that sounds great to me. Swapping in the avocado will also help add some heart-healthy unsaturated fats and cut back on the saturated fat that's found in butter.
So check this out. I love frosting, but one of the things I don't love about it is all the added calories and sugars. Enter Nature's Promise chocolate hummus. Now this is a little bit unconventional, but here I'm gonna take the chocolate hummus and I'm gonna whisk in just a little bit of coconut oil.
That sounds delicious. I do think there are some people who might be a little bit hesitant to try this one, but I promise the Nature's Promise chocolate hummus is delicious. Now that you know these simple ingredient swaps, you can bake and enjoy delicious and nutritious treats right at home. For these recipes and more, head to our website at stopandshop.com/nutrition.